As we reach the culmination of the circumvention policy saga, the full weight of its implications crystallizes into a story that is as strategic as it is human, as analytical as it is emotional. Picture the scene: creators across the globe, from the smallest niche channels to mid-tier networks, all processing the quiet but seismic shift in the rules that govern their world. The midnight alerts, the subtle updates, the clarified language. These are not just words on a page. They are the invisible currents that will steer decisions, shape collaborations, and redefine opportunity. Every upload, every title, every metadata choice now carries latent consequence. The tension is palpable, adapt too slowly, and a channel risks sudden termination. Misinterpret policy, and years of creative investment could vanish overnight. Yet within this high stakes environment, the update also presents opportunity, clarity, and a blueprint for sustainable growth if only creators are willing to internalize its lessons. The cinematic undercurrent is striking. This is not about the overt drama of enforcement notices or public takedowns. It is about subtle pervasive influence over the entire ecosystem. Circumvention is no longer an isolated act. It is understood as a behavioral pattern networked and persistent. The policy now treats associations, collaborations, and even indirect content links as potential vectors for enforcement. Creators must not only examine their own channels but also evaluate partnerships, production pipelines, and historical patterns of content flow. The stakes are multi-layered: financial, reputational, and operational. Even minor oversights, an unvetted collaboration, a recycled thumbnail style, or an indirect affiliate repost can trigger scrutiny. The narrative tension is internalized. It is the quiet anxiety, the mental calculation, the instinctive adaptation that defines this era of digital content creation. Economically, the ramifications are immediate and long term. Advertisers and brands rely on consistency and predictability. The policy strengthens the foundation of trust. It reassures advertisers that enforcement is not superficial, that circumventing channels cannot operate unchecked, and that the content ecosystem maintains integrity. This in turn stabilizes revenue for compliant creators, creating an environment where strategic adherence to rules becomes a competitive advantage. The subtlety of enforcement, pattern recognition, behavior based consequences, cross channel accountability turns compliance into a strategic lever rather than just a legal or ethical obligation. In this ecosystem, foresight becomes as valuable as creativity. The emotional dimension is equally cinematic. For creators who previously relied on workarounds, the update is a catalyst for reflection, a moment of tension that forces a reckoning with past decisions. Fear, uncertainty, and instinctive risk taking collide, prompting strategic recalibration. For compliant creators, the update offers reassurance, a confirmation that diligence and adherence are recognized and rewarded. This duality, anxiety for some, relief for others, creates a dynamic psychological landscape where human instincts, professional judgment, and digital behavior converge. The cinematic tension is not in public enforcement but in the private mental calculus that occurs behind the screen, in quiet studios late at night, as creators navigate the subtle boundaries of opportunity and consequence. From a strategic standpoint, content planning undergoes a profound evolution. Replication, minor modification, and networked reposting are no longer viable strategies. Originality and transformation are incentivized. Creators must approach content with long term foresight. Scripts must be distinctive, thumbnails intentional, collaborations documented, and partnerships vetted. The policy functions almost like an invisible mentor, guiding behavior without overt intervention. Over time, this subtle influence fosters professionalization, higher standards, and sustainable creative practices. The message is clear. Growth that relies on shortcuts or circumvention is temporary. Growth grounded in disciplined, intentional creation is enduring. Operationally, the update also elevates the standards of agencies, production teams, and collaborative networks. Risk assessment becomes essential. Every pipeline, every collaboration, every shared account must be audited for potential circumvention exposure. Teams that adapt quickly gain an edge. Those who lag risk abrupt disruption. In this sense, the policy is both a regulatory framework and a strategic tool, shaping decisions from the smallest creator to large network operations. Every aspect of content creation, from ideation to upload, from collaboration to monetization, is now subtly structured by the principles codified in the update. Finally, part 10 brings us to the philosophical and personal insight that underpins the entire saga. Circumvention is not just a technical issue, it is a question of intent, pattern, and accountability. By defining these rules, YouTube is not merely enforcing compliance, it is shaping the culture of the creator ecosystem, signaling that sustainability, responsibility, and foresight matter more than short term advantage. The cinematic arc closes with a reflective challenge to creators. Are you building a channel that can withstand scrutiny, adapt to evolving standards, and grow with integrity? The answer defines not just success on a platform but mastery of a complex, dynamic digital environment. In the end, the circumvention policy update is a story of tension, adaptation, and resilience. It is about the invisible currents that govern creation, the unseen structures that define opportunity, and the human instincts that navigate them. For creators willing to internalize these lessons, the reward is stability, growth, and credibility. For those who ignore them, the risk is permanent disruption. The cinematic lesson is clear. In the modern digital landscape, creativity alone is insufficient. Understanding, adapting, and thriving within the invisible architecture of a continuity is the ultimate competitive advantage. And in that realization lies the story that every creator, viewer, and observer will remember long after the policy was quietly ordered on a page at midnight.